Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add your own custom pieces to chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, currently at the given moment, it is not possible to enter your own chess piece designs into chess.com. Even though they are client side, it is simply not possible. They have not implemented that feature yet. However, I'll show you guys how you can change the pieces to some presets. You need to go into your settings in the bottom left, click on all settings, and from here you need to go either on board and pieces or into themes. Under pieces, you just select the pieces that you want. You have the sort of preview here to the right. If I select 3D Staunton, as you can see, this is what they look like. 3D plastic looks like this, or you can go into the real 3D and set it up like that, or you can select whichever preset you want, and that is pretty much all you can do at this point on chess.com. Now, if you wanted to create your own chess pieces and add them, there is a plugin for browsers which you could use, which is called the Stylish plugin, and this allows you to change the CSS code of the web pages you're currently on to some different code, and through that process, you might be able to add your own chess pieces if you figure out how to, and that would change the appearance, of course, for you only locally or client side, and the opponent won't be able to see the design. But at the current moment, that is pretty much the only possibility that might work. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.